In this video, I'll show you how to keep your Facebook data private so you can control who sees your information and activity. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Audience and Visibility section. Here you can control who sees your posts and profile details. Tap Who can see your future posts and change it to Friends or Only Me if you want more privacy. You can also tap Profile and Tagging to control who can post on your profile and who can see posts you're tagged in. Next, go back and open Followers and Public Content to manage who can follow you and who can comment on your public posts. It's also a good idea to review your personal information. Go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, then tap Edit Your About info and set sensitive details like phone number or email to Only Me if you want to keep them private. These small changes can help protect your personal data and give you more control over your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.